All right, Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. Zoom on in here. Got the new tool today. Got the brand new Hummel sander made by the Lagler. I don't know, man. I've been using this thing over 35 years. The 40-year-old ones still work as good as the brand new ones, but this is the new 2022. Got a big light for it, but I figured we'd do an unwrapping. Come in here, look. So when they ship it to you, got this cool little box, got these little clamp downs. I've already undid them to save time, but you take the lid off once it gets here. And boom, that's the stack. It's going to be on the sander. Set it up here. Now, let's zoom in here. We've got the new vacuum. I'm going to unwrap this one in a different video, but this vacuum doesn't go with this machine. This vacuum is for our smaller machines. This machine is so well made, and come in here and zoom in on the top, is with the bag, this thing collects more dust than if it was hooked up to a vacuum. Here's the cool new light that lets you see the any scratches. Got a little cord that comes with it. That's pretty cool. Got a little bag of tools. Got to work on it, the belt to carry it. Got one of the bags that collects the dust. This little arm keeps the bag out and the cord away from you. But that's it. So there you go. $8,000 later, and it is beautiful. That's cool. I'm gonna unwrap this, but this is the dolly. The wheels. It's the dolly that will maneuver this machine from the work trailer inside the house. The wheels that are on this machine, we only want them to touch the hardwood flooring, not this concrete, not the sidewalk. That's what the dolly is going to be for. Whew. All right, let's see the big dolly. All right, here we go. Definitely don't need no instructions. These bad boys. And woo, get that side view, look at that. Woo. So we don't want these wheels on the sidewalk to cement. This whole machine will sit up on top of this and we'll roll it around. All right, there you go. Next video, we'll be unwrapping the vacuum. All right, there you go. Here's the wheels I was telling you about. So the nice wheels never touch the concrete. Got the bright light. Probably the best floor sander ever made. And not a whole lot of moving parts. I mean, put on your emergency off switch. Little thing here just lowers and raises the drum. The springs keep it balanced. I may do a video one day where we just break it all down and show you how all the little parts work. But that machine has given me a life I've never thought possible. I mean, that's my fifth wheel right there. My Indian motorcycle, but my vacation RV is better than the trailer I grew up in. Dreams come true if you're willing to work hard. All right, next we're going to be unwrapping the vacuum. Now remember, this vacuum is for our smaller equipment. This machine, and you've seen the videos with the machine running, there's no dust in the air. This thing collects it all. So check out the next video.